Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, Tech It Simple. Hope you guys are doing good. Now, today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to log into ANZ Internet Banking. Let's start right now. To log into your ANZ Internet Banking on your computer, if you guys are new here, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Now, first, open up your preferred browser. As I have already opened Google Chrome, and on the search bar, click over there and type in https://www.anz.com/login and hit enter. Make sure it takes you to the official link https://www.anz.com/login and hit enter. Now, you can see the login interface over here. To log into your ANZ online, from over here, it will be required to enter your username like this. Similarly, enter your password like this. Now, once you hit the login button, you'll be able to log into your ANZ Internet Banking. In case if you forgot your password, just click on Forgot Your Password. This much for today. If you guys found this video informative, just comment down below. It will give us motivation to make more videos. Thank you so much for watching.